नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये. So now we find Damayanti now looking at the swan, fascinated, a talking swan from Brahmalokam, and she tilts her head to one side. And outshining the full moon by her beauty, she looks into her own heart before speaking, and then she speaks to the swan. First, not to the swan, first she speaks to herself. She says, Dhik Chapale, to herself, saying, oh, fie upon you. You are such a fickle girl, she tells herself. You are a fickle girl. You tried to catch this swan. It's like quivering waves of a river trying to catch someone who is firmly rooted on the shore. Like that, you are childish. So she tells the swan, please forgive my childishness. I was. You are the vehicle of Brahma and are divine, and I ought to bow to you. So she bows to the swan. Then she says, the swan had asked her, what can I do for you? So he says, tell me, what dear desire of mine can you accomplish, which should give me more happiness than even the great joy that I am getting just by seeing you? Then the swan is not giving anything away, he is just looking, then continue. So Damayanti says, actually, I don't know how exactly to tell you. I know not how to say or what to say. I cannot convey that deep desire I am not able to, which is deep desire my heart refuses to come out as voice. I know not how to say or what to say. I cannot convey that deep desire I am not able to, which is deep desire my heart refuses to come out as voice. For which girl can aspire to catch the moon with her hand? So the word used is Dvijaraja Panigrahanabhilasham. Dvijaraja Panigrahanabhilasham. Dvijaraja is moon. Panigrahana is to catch the hand. Abhilasham is aspiration. But Dvija also means swan. And Raja means Raja. So he says the hidden meaning is swan, which girl can aspire to catch the hand of king. King means Nala. So without exactly saying this, she conveys this to this one with a lot of shyness, lajja. There is a traditional slokam about what are the different punya tirthas that people should take a dip in, different types of people. It goes like this. Vidyatirthe jagati vibudha sadhava satyatirthe gangatire malina manasa danatirthe dhanadhyaha dharatirthe dharanipataya yogino dhyanatirthe lajjatirthe kulayogataya Patakam shalayanti. Patakam shalayanti. That means they cleanse themselves of whatever is the dirt in their antakarana. Who does what? Vidyatirthe jagati vibudha. The wise people cleanse themselves by plunging into Vidya, the tirtha of Vidya, of knowledge. Sadhavah Satyatirthe, the Sadhu Purushas, they cleanse themselves by plunging into Satya, truth. Ganga Tire Malina Manasaha, those who have got, somebody is passed away, some deep hurt, something has happened, they are all hurt. Such people go on pilgrimage and take bath in Ganges, etc. That gives them a lot of Antakarana Shuddhi, their depression goes, all that happens. Ganga Tire Malina Manasaha, Dana Tirthe Danadhya. The rich people, wealthy people, they cleanse themselves by giving dana. Dana Tirtha. They give gift. Dhara Tirthe Dharanipataya. Dharanipataya, the kings. They cleanse themselves by the edge of their sword, by battle. That's their, for their yajna is the war, the battle. Yogino dhyana tirthe. Yogis cleanse themselves by dhyana. They just plunge in dhyana. Lajja tirthe kulayavataya. Good girls from good families, they cleanse themselves by being shy. The river of shyness. They take a dip. Lajja tirthe kulayavataya. Patagam kshalayanti. Likewise, so this girl is not exactly openly being able to tell, but she's conveyed that Viraja Panigrahana Abhilasham, how can I do? Right. It's getting to be a little bit of liability these days, actually. Lajja is not seen that openly. Right. Boys have got Lajja. If you see VTV, MTV, etc., who cares? Huh? They used to, Antram Diksha said in his tape, if you ask a girl, can I start looking for a match for you? She says, no, means yes, But she'll say like that, you have to understand, okay? Not now. Means, okay, now we can see, right? Now we can see. That's Lajja Tirthe. She's not going to say, yes, pa. By high time you did, you're not doing it. Not going to say that, right? Okay, that's what. So, Lajja Tirthe. Okay, coming back to Damayanti. What has she done? She has very cleverly turned the table back on the swan, saying, what can you do for me? Without giving out exactly what she wanted. So she is saying, in the sense that suppose somebody says, I want to help you. And you conduct an interview, right? Person, what is their qualification? Right? What is their experience? Correct? What are you capable of? And finally, after all that is conveyed, you still want to ask, but why should I employ you? Right, all that. So, Swan has come, but she is not, Damayanti is not Damayanti, but he wants to know, what is it that you can actually, why should I take help from you, kind of thing. So she is asking very sweetly, what is it that you can do for me? But when she was speaking, her voice was so melodious and so sweet and so sublime, that the swan was just in great joy listening to her. Swan is a man of much culture. He's been around. Okay. He felt that her voice was far more sweeter than the best of koels that he has heard. And thinking like that. And even the best of veena sound, it was better than that. So he was appreciating all that, and then he spoke. He says, Bhaimi, that means Bhima's daughter, oh Bhaimi, maybe, as you are saying, you have a deep desire which you are not able to express. Right. Maybe there is some object embedded in your heart which you are not sure, as you said, that it is possible to accomplish. That you cannot catch the moon, right? Why do you think it cannot be achieved? You should not think like that. don't people manage to realize God? There are people who realize God. We can do it, right? And is it not that you are endowed with Ashta Siddhi? You yourself, Damayanti, got Ashta Siddhi, Anima, Mahima, Garima, Laghima, Prapti, Prakamya, Ishitva, Vashitva. All that you got. He's saying in his own way, poetic. Anima, he says, your waist is so small, nobody can see it. Okay? Like that, this buttering her up. Since nobody else is listening, she is quite happy. Now, and then he says, does not Saraswati reside in my tongue? I am from Brahmalokam. And is she not Vedashruti herself? Right? Okay, you asked me, what desire of yours, what can I do for you? That's what you asked me. Okay, I'll tell you. Paryankatapanna saraswadanka Lankapurimappyabhilashi chittam Kutrapi chet vastumite prayati Tadapyavehi swashaye shayalu Paryankatapanna saraswadanka Lankapurimappyabhilashi chittam. He says, if your mind desires that piece of land which has got the ocean for its bed, that beautiful island of Lanka, suppose your mind desires to get that for yourself, I can get it for you. If there is anything else in the cosmos that you desire, I can get that for you. Right? So, she asked me what you can do for me. Huh? So, he's come up strongly, he's opened. Saying, what can I not do? Right? So, he's not holding back any modesty, etc. He's saying, I can do. In an interview, that's how you have to be, right? He says, what? You have to say. What can you do? You can't say, I don't speak about myself much and all that. No, you have to say, I can do. Madam, I have done this, there I did this, I can do this. Yeah. So I say, what is the qualification? You say, I am doing research. You may not be a graduate also, but you can do research. Right? You can say. You be positive in what you say. Very good. Now, so there it is. So he says, I can get the island of Lanka for you, I can get any other object in the cosmos for you, so tell me now what can I do for you? He threw the ball right back to Damayanti. He has seen many such people earlier. You are trying to take my interview, I am coming to do a favor to her here. So she better tell me. On hearing this claim by the swan, Damayanti was both pleased and at the same time abashed. A bit abashed. Now how exactly to tell? Right. She was pleased because the swan looked quite confident that it will accomplish. It had opened with Nala's name, etc. When it had come, he had caught me and all that. So her mind is clear that yes, this is there's something here, and we should take this forward. But how? Har Namah Parvati Pataye Janaki Kanta Smaranam Gopika Jivana Smaranam Vetrivel Muruganukku Shri Sadguru Swaminah Shri Anjaneya Swaminah